Hello, my name is Sarthak and I am the team lead of Falcons. So we are developing the AI powered marketplace assistant for the local artisans. So what our app will be doing, so it will empower the artisan community for the ancient Indian arts, sculptures and scriptures. Like there are many artisans which are deprived from the marketplace and there are not the transparency into the market which lead them to the less profit and usually they tend to shut down their precious crafts. So it will connect the local artisans with the global audiences through AI-driven storytelling and smart marketing tools. So we have our AI recommendation system, which has trained upon the various tags which user use. So if user is into the art forms and sculptures, like if users into the art forms, designs, traditional styles of arts, then it will be showcasing the clothing or designing stuff. And if user is into the sculpture and statues, it will be showing into the statues. There is a vast category for arts like arts from column designs, onam designs and all. So we also had a AI story generator and analysis. Also we also had the customer communication, like it's the connecting form for the marketplace. Like our app will be connecting the various artisans throughout the market. So mostly our app will be preserving our heritage with help of next gen AI and Web3 models. And that's all. With also we will also had mentioned into the uh, our repo submitted repo that how our app will work. And here is a complete readme and our sort of prototype we developed throughout the campaign. And that's all about the Gen AI Exchange hackathon from the Falcons team. Thank you.